We've compiled all of the information we've received about the Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Pro, whether it's in the form of leaks, reports, or conjecture, in this section. Stay tuned for developments. While the Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Pro have yet to be formally revealed, it's fair to anticipate Samsung to want to maintain its popular wearable lineup. With that in mind, and based on Samsung's prior Galaxy Watch release timetable, which has always been incredibly constant, we can predict that the Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Pro will be available in late August 2023. We anticipate that the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro will be priced similarly to its forerunner, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Similarly, the Galaxy Watch 6, which will be available in two versions, will almost certainly be priced the same as its forerunner, the Galaxy Watch 5. The tiniest 40mm GPS-only Galaxy Watch 6 series variant starts at $279. The Galaxy Watch 6 Pro, presumably only in 45mm, will cost up to $499 for the version with GPS and cellular service. The appearance of Samsung's wearables differs from that of the Apple Watch in that they have a spherical watch display evocative of traditional watches. Both the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro and 6 will have glass-protected displays, with the former featuring sapphire crystal glass and the latter featuring Gorilla Glass. The Galaxy Watch 6 Pro is the higher-end choice, with a 1.4-inch Super AMOLED touchscreen protected by sapphire crystal glass and a metal frame. The spinning edges from prior Samsung wearables are still unknown, but based on the Watch 5 series, it appears improbable. Water protection of 5 ATM plus IP68 is expected for the Galaxy Watch 6 line. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Pro and Galaxy Watch 6 will both run Google's Wear OS with a software layer designed by Samsung. These wearables, however, will only work with Android phones and not iPhones. Wear OS has developed into a competent wearable operating system, with a plethora of applications, watch skins, and features available. The bioactive sensor from Samsung will provide precise health statistics and well-being insights, while the IR skin temperature sensor from the Watch 5 series may return with enhanced features. Sleep tracking, pulse rate monitoring, and other features will be accessible as well. The Galaxy Watch 6 Pro could include exclusive features like route-based GPS navigation and track-back, which are helpful for trekkers. Samsung Bioactive Sensor optical heart rate plus electrical heart signal plus bioelectrical impedance analysis, temperature sensor, accelerometer, barometer, urosensor, geomagnetic sensor, and light sensor are all rumored components for the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro. The Galaxy Watch 6 Pro is expected to have a 590 mAh battery that will last up to 60 hours with limited GPS or movement monitoring. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.